students, 4th grade East here, and we are going to talk to you about our latest project, Library Cards for a Hall.
Woohoo! We found through our research that the best way to grow your brain is to read.
We gave all Westwood students a survey to find out if they have their own library cards. Shocking news. Get ready for it. Only 1 out of 4 students have their own library card. Dun, dun, dun.
People, this is a problem. Do you know how important it is to have a library card? Do you know all the cool stuff and things you could get by just having a library card?
I bet you think a library card can only give you books. You're wrong. Look at the flyer. This is all the stuff you can get with the library card. It's just not books.
For instance, there's thousands of books and magazines you can read on an electronic device. You can check out Blu-rays and DVDs. Hello, movie night!
Wait, what? This just in. Springdale Library has just opened a new Minecraft server in the children's section. Say what? I'm there.
Okay, are you starting to get this? This is important, people. Here's what I need you to do.
When you get home, go straight to an adult and have them sign your library card. If there are any corrections, please make them. Then share all the great information about the library and what it has to offer.
Now put your card in your backpack and bring it to school.
Wondering what's in it for you besides the obvious? Candy! We will walk around in the morning during breakfast and collect the cards, giving out treats. Treats go in your backpack for later.
Seriously, did you think we would just say it is okay to have candy for breakfast? No way.
Time for action. Now get that library card form signed.
Peace out!
You're in the library.